Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Finance Experts. Are you a person who is involved in high expenditures? Do you spend more money on your expenses than what you earn as an income for a particular time period? Then, we hope this is the best video that you should go through. This video will definitely give you the best idea about the physiology of thinking, as well as methods and important ways to break bad financial habits. So make sure to be till the end of the video and get the best idea on how to break your bad financial habits. Many of us frequently experience ups and downs in our monetary relationships. Before referring to the main topic of how to break bad financial habits, which are caused by psychological spending, we should make our understanding on a very simple action we do daily with our earnings. That is, spending the money we have earned. Most of us like the excitement of deciding, purchasing, and thereafter consuming our acquisitions of those goods we purchased. And most of the time, it's beneficial. Unfortunately, we occasionally develop the habit of acquiring to obtain encouragement. But those benefits are temporary, and indeed, the risk seems to be serious. All that we are trying to say regarding the expenditure above is that you must be mindful and think whether this would it be one's greatest advantage to purchase that product? Yet what else might one enjoy himself or herself if that person did not purchase it? Or can he or she select a much less priced version of such an item? Our financial situation may have a significant influence on how good we are feeling, irrespective of whether we are enjoying the substantial benefits of our raised wages, incentives, and/or price in cash, or having difficulty in figuring out the way we're going to continue to pay our living costs for the upcoming month. How individuals decide to spend the money they have earned constitutes a few of the most challenging components of money management. Recognizing that certain costs cannot be avoided, the financial component of modern society may make a few individuals unsure of the best way to achieve an appropriate balance between expenditures and luxuries as well as needs. We will be able to talk about how sensitive spending may affect every single one of us through this video. Along with that, we will also offer helpful guidance for anybody trying to understand and reduce emotional spending. So make sure you're really involved and watch the whole video till the end. Do you know? Economic sustainability results from adhering to the fundamentals of personal finance, including maintaining budgeting. However, attitudes as well as business decisions also have an emotional aspect. Overspending is a frequent financial problem that can be solved by combining practical tactics with emotional intelligence. There are many specialist ideas that explain the responsibility of individuals to manage the cash balances they possess with them. As an example, Elizabeth Dunn, a professor at the University of British Columbia and also chief science officer of Happy Money, once stated that individuals must manage with both the psychological and economic aspects of money. People frequently carry a lot of financial stress and weight around money. Let's address all of the emotions, stress, and problems that may cause disadvantages in our daily life. At present, social media with internet plays a major role in emotional spending. The marketing landscape is now significantly distinct. The conventional style which was seen of advertising that appears in newspapers or perhaps on television is rapidly losing ground with the internet as well as social media platforms. It comes as no surprise that more businesses are focusing on these digital channels when an entire globe of items is available with just a click of a mouse. These online purchasing and online shopping methods have made people more interested in purchasing and engaging in overspending without consideration of what will occur in the future. Additionally, there are a number of methods an organization may try to grasp into and exploit its influence of feelings in order to convince customers to buy its items when it comes to enterprises seeking to market its products. So, many people are addicted to purchasing their products as soon as they see advertisements. Now, let us consider some of the bad financial habits we keep on having and how we can get rid of these incomplete habits. First of all, we should give our main consideration to why we do overspending. Why do we always tend to overspend? Actually, The main reason why most of us are indeed overspending is that we don't have a proper idea of what is the most essential and needed to us. Also, we do not make much consideration of what the result will cost in the future. Do you know? This will cause you severe problems in the future as you have no reserve in order to face the most important stages of your life. This is commonly known as impulse purchases. By identifying why we do this kind of overspending, we will be able to find the correct path to break bad spending patterns. Impulse purchases. Are you prone to buying anything on sale even though it wasn't what you had planned to do? Such as sudden purchases can result in a number of unhealthy spending habits, including justifying reckless and bad purchase choices. Incredibly, it is simple to create explanations for overspending and tell yourself that you must have a luxurious vehicle or a new sofa set. Set goals for your spending. Making effective goals in order to reduce unwanted purchases and leave some cash for savings might be a very good goal in financial planning. As an example, if you are interested in purchasing a very expensive beauty product at an online store, stop the rush to purchase as soon as possible. Instead, try to think if that product is really needed or useful in your essential goods basket. Having financial objectives might help you develop better behaviors. According to Davis, setting financial goals can put you on the path toward healthier habits. Your goals can revolve around specific dollar amounts, such as becoming debt-free or saving 3 months' worth of expenses in an emergency fund. The objective might also be to alter your financial perspective. For example, learning to be more careful with how much you spend or being more at ease talking about money with others. Make a strategy to help you achieve financial health. Set small financial goals. Setting short-term financial goals might help you to plan how to spend the money and save them for future consumption. You will feel independent when you set financial goals. For example, reducing the expenses spent on non-essential products and services to avoid overspending money, so that it will help you to work successfully on your long-term financial goals. For this, you can invest in the stock market or even start your own business. Get help and opinions from your family and companions. As we all have our own world with our family or friends, we always tend to get options and ideas from them in our decision making. Similarly, this method can also be implemented in cutting off excess spending. Get advice and help on stopping overspending from your helpful and caring friends, family members, or spouse. In the instance you need help from them, do you know sometimes they might have been suffering from the same problem in managing and stopping their overspending? And they also might require help. Then both of you and your companions will be able to obtain the best solution for this by discussing and thinking together. Make your savings methods. For instance, you could open your own savings account so that you'll get motivated in saving money and will not get the opportunity to use them for unnecessary expenditures. This will help you to have enough cash balances for an unexpected situation. At present, there are online solutions in order to directly and automatically transfer your earnings into your savings account. Making a good budget for your spending. Creating a very effective and attractive budget to spend your money may really help you understand the cash balance you have for spending and allows you to be smarter rather than finding a large credit card bill to pay. It might be difficult to break bad financial behaviors. However, you have no reason to go it all together. You may seek support from individuals as well as hobbies. We hope that all our audience has received a very good understanding of the psychology of spending, as well as how to break bad financial habits to be more stable and secure in the financial handling path. Thanks for being till the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.